Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of famous Malabar dish which is Irani Pola. This is a savory cake and has chicken filling in it. Let's see how to prepare this delicious soft Irani Pola. Take 200 grams of boneless chicken. Chop it into smaller size. Add in half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as needed, and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix all the ingredients nicely and marinate it for 30 minutes. Heat sunflower oil in a frying pan and add in the marinated chicken pieces. I am going to fry the chicken pieces. Since it's chicken breast, it will take 10 minutes to fry. Cook it on both the sides and switch off the flame once it's fried. Fried chicken pieces are ready now. To the same pan, add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. In goes half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Add in 2 chopped onions. Saute it until it turns translucent. Add in half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and saute it. In goes quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Add in salt as needed. Now add in the fried chicken pieces. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the flame. Chicken filling is ready now. Next, I am going to prepare a batter for the pola. Take 1 cup of maida in a mixer grinder jar. Add in half a cup of sunflower oil. Add in quarter teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as needed, and add in 2 eggs. We need 1 cup of milk to grind it into a smooth batter. First, I'll add half a cup of milk, grind it and add remaining half a cup of milk. So totally we need 1 cup of milk. Irani Pola batter is ready now. This should be the consistency of the batter. Take a 7-inch non-stick casserole like this. Make sure to use non-stick pan to make pola. Add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil and spread like this so that it spreads on all the sides of the pan. Once the pan is hot, add in half the quantity of the pola batter. Cover it and cook it in low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Place the casserole on a pan and cook it in low flame. After cooking the batter for 3 minutes, add in 3/4 quantity of the chicken filling. If you add the filling immediately after pouring the batter means the chicken will sink to the bottom of the pan, and hence we are cooking the batter for 3 minutes. Make sure the filling doesn't touch on the sides of the casserole. Pour the remaining half of the batter. Make sure to cover the chicken filling. Cover it and cook it for 3 minutes. Once the batter is about to set, add in the remaining chicken filling. Add in few capsicum slices. Add in some coriander leaf. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 20 minutes at low flame. This capsicum gives nice flavor to the Irani Pola. After cooking it for 20 minutes, run a spatula along the sides of the pan. If the batter doesn't stick to the spatula means we can assume it is cooked. Now it's time to cook the top portion of the Irani Pola. Flip the Irani Pola onto your plate. Use non-stick pan to make pola. Look at the difference, it just came easy without sticking to the pan. Heat half a teaspoon of sunflower oil in a pan and slide the Irani Pola gently like this. This step is done to cook the top portion of the Irani Pola. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip the Irani Pola on a serving plate. Delicious Malabar special Irani Pola is ready to be served now. Look at the texture of the Irani Pola. This is so soft, spongy and tastes delicious. This Irani Pola, it's like pizza for me. Do try this Irani Pola and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.